But what a place. And what a time. And what a duty I have been given to help people to relive. Now, all of us see me there, you know. If I tell you the truth of God love, I don't remember 3/4 of the sitting there when I write down. Enough nice things we write down for telling you, you know. I sit down and I try to remember every striking thing when we were experience when we have grown up. By the way, you don't know Stin and Nickel?
Yes, sir. What?
Google that. I never know Stin and Nickel is a real thing, a real word, until me a big old adult. It is stinging nettle. But when we grew up in a St. Elizabeth, a Stin and Nickel. Stin and Nickel is a little vine where has some little pointy leaf, where has some little things growing on the leaf, where if you catch you, may God help you. Especially if it's a hot day. Now, remember when Auntie Lucille, when I come from Shudley? I remember when emergency went take him a road. Me no need to tell you. It rough. Then now, night come down. It's a little bickle. I can go in here now, but enough mosquito. They about. Mosquito rampant. The destroyer work sometime, but po. Google that. The destroyer good, but the destroyer not so great. You know what bad? When you get some dry cow down and put it in a one old metal bucket. All cheese pan, all paint pan, all bucket. And you put that the outer front and you light it. When you light that the cow down, you know. You don't think I don't have Riverton fire there, but you know. How long who live in the house have evacuated out themselves, you know. And then now, the smoke from the cow dung circulates through the place. And my granny would not say, jump the mosquito there. Then tell me something. When this a cow dung you have circulate, which part your clothes and so there? Because me no know. For what? No, me I try to understand, eh? No, but I through the house you want the smoke to circulate. How you going to jump the mosquito then, miss? But you must see mad people. We have burned the cow down so the smoke can circulate through the house and junk the mosquito them. So by the time you're ready to guard your bed, the mosquito them guard for them bed too. By the time they revive back on sun now, you fast asleep. And when you no see, heart no leap. But when that happen, you can't in there. Because the cow dung will jump the mosquito there. He will poison you. Then the time they now, you have one bucket with about 5 or 6 dozen mango. And the moon shine. And you sit down what I do. You're not near my dear. Because when you no see, And you sit down, and my granny would say you talk fat, and you name your belly full of mango. And nothing no get pardon. Everything we present, gone. And that is it. I close you out with this one. Tell me the one we say, Anna, yes, so. No, wait. No, me can't close it out yet. Mr. Manager, please for 5 more minutes. I cannot close the show and not put on in our place because This is the thing is, what really happened now is that when we didn't have the technical issues earlier and I take long to start, we never left. So what we do now is that we no turn and make me get back comfortable again. Eh? So for me, granny say you go under full roost and you lie with dog and then I hit. So now, one of the things we observe, I said I wasn't going to say anything, but I have to talk about it. Because I noticed that a lot of people come from Jamaica after an experience all of that back home, when you come over your pop style. When you come to America, go on like you is American. No, is not American. A Jamaican no be. Because paper can make you into American. Culture make you into American. And you couldn't speak till you bite your tongue. You don't sound like them. Abi. Might as well you talk the English. But nobody push it. Battery. What is a battery? If me turn up on you one Jamaican say battery, I fling that I can give you one licking at your denture. A battery. The same battery you always put in a car gate box and put one wire upon one side and one wire upon the other side and string it go in at the whole radio so that the whole radio can play. The same battery you always can go put on barbecue and make sun bunny so that you can get back little light when the radio starts saying you go look boy in the sun and carry back and put it back in at the car gate box and string him up again so you can get the 6 o'clock news. A battery. Battery. Not for me come America. A pop style. I remember when you always piss the bed and roll over the cousin in the heat. I own a wrong fit on. Have a little smart water. A lot of you have become so Americanized that you don't even remember when you used to kill chink for fun. When you always searching one another here like a monkey and look for white louse and bust them between your finger, boom! Me have one of that kid. Come America, walk around like a puspa hot brick. Everybody I walk around normal. You have mumps. Some of you don't even know where mumps be. Google that. Everybody I walk around normal. You have white cloth tie up your head like your head I explode. Sometimes you have all a sardine in there. The neighborhood drunk or flare pot up say, anything for me? You come here pop style. work our pop style. I remember when TT nearly kill you in a night. Them the pain never always come at daytime. But as soon as Master God carry down the sun and bring up the moon, round here so we don't kill you. And you don't know which one of the teeth them are hurt you. Everywhere tender. To my granny, Pearly, Uncle Errol can tell you this a story. But you don't know which one of them she did pregnant with. She say, TT take her in a night. Remember, so they always got bed for 8 o'clock, so the night them were long. TT take her in a night to the point where she go out and do and find two. I look like I see a time for we go and it look like a time. We have to go just make we talk quick. My granny said she find two banana tree and push them together and try to pop off in neck between the two trees. How the pain hurt. When she get up the following morning, she go to the dentist. She said, Doc, you know all people always call Dr. Doc. She said, Doc, pull out everyone. The dentist said, no, Miss Pearly, I can't do that. She said, take out everyone. The dentist said, no, I'd have to take out some today and give you another day. She said, take out all the way you can take out today and give me the day. She get the day, she go back. For all her life, I know my grandmother proudly wearing her teeth in a glass with some water on the coffee table in her front room. And that's where I come from. Hold on, another start that. Started at the beginning. Good. Hold palm papa shoulder fi wash foot. Brush bristle flick the carbolic soap. Done yam the pea soup when mama cook. They fold them garoos, frog start croak. Brown dust start stretch cross evening sky. Peony wally and firefly. We carrying the lampshade and the pee-pee pan. Oh Lord, I know yes so we are come from. Remember? We go in a house, darkness come down. The transistor radio she. Talk about dumpy and wriggle for fun. But the Bible is bedtime story. Maturity out of the thermos. We drink it and eat pudding crust. We say we live prayers and blow out the lamp. Oh Lord, I know yes so we are come from. Come now. Call each one by name and say good night. Then usher we self on to sleep. Mosquito a singer we ears whole. Night hot but we have to draw sheets. Then in the hours and night, we got start fi put up a fight. Ma jump out or sleep and light the tilly lamp. Oh Lord, where this crosses come from. I'm going to quarrel now, you know. Me did tell you all away yam. Bring Marley gripe, fluxy complain. Google that. Now look on the time, bout after one. Your gut outfit kill you with pain. We turn the latch, bust through the door. Take what say we nah yam no more. Run the crook, lizard lick the toilet palm. Oh Lord, where so much roach come from? Wipe we lay bam bam with newspaper, or wet and crushed brown paper bag. The dark like a midnight. Now complain, cause that's all we have. Outer door, mama start rebuke. Walk away from here, you little brute. Me ask her who, and she say no master, dead gone. Where him dog pick come from? Water out a drum and wash we hand. Mood in the night sky, this a glow. Spring from the mattress, joke with bamba. Before you know it, cock start crow. Ma wake up, take out the chimney. She wake up, long time, draw coffee. Chew stick and wash face in the basin pan. Oh Lord, I know ya so we are come from. I know ya so. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Mothers, you are the best thing that has ever happened to us. We thank God for you every day. It is not a great thing, but it's the reality of the situation. Much of the legacy that we have coming out of Jamaica is a story that is set around our mother or our grandmother. And so I am very, very grateful to have you here with me tonight, and I celebrate you for being here. Thank you for being patient with me, and thank you for being a part of the debut of Miss Pearly Grandson.